just buy a crab for the first time and you are wondering how can you wash or remove all the dirty inside, so this video is particular for you. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how to wash your crab totally. I went to a sea farm where they sell fresh food, so I saw this crab, so I decided to buy it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean your crab before preserving it. You can clean it or you can preserve it for a very long time anytime you want to use it. So this is the crab. Yesterday I watched the crab with the spoon because there was a lot of all those stuff on it, all those sea stuff, all this rope on it. So I wash it, I put it in the freezer because I bought it live, so I have to put it in the fridge for it to die. So the next thing here, you have to boil or put your water in your pot, and also add garlic and ginger. This one is personal. If you want, you can add garlic and ginger. If you don't want, you can leave it. Why I add garlic and ginger? Because I want it to have some spices flavor on it. That is why I add garlic and ginger to it. Or you can see here, I'm going to put it inside the pot. You allow the water to sit on the fire for an hour. Let the water to be very boiled. Let it be boiling. Like, I use this particular pot. This is the pot I use when I want to do something. I definitely use it for some of my stuff, like some of my cooking stuff, a lot of my cooking stuff, that so I don't want to mess up with my other pot, so I definitely use this. So I just put it for some minutes, not too much, like 5 minutes, because you have to cook this half done, not full done. Just put it half minute and then I bring it out. So when you bring it out, you have to coat this with hot water because this thing will be very hot. So you see I am doing it in this video. You are going to open this on the edge, the back side, not the front side. You open it. Those things that you are seeing me remove are the sheets, are the dirty on it. So those things are waste, so you don't have to eat it. So you have to take all those stuff out totally, gently take it out and wash it. Okay, if you are the kind of person that I usually wash it, if you're the kind of person that don't want to wash it, you can definitely leave it, just use, or maybe if you have foam, anything like a rag that is very clean, you can use it, because if you want to get that good taste. But it do have good taste after you want to use it to cook, because it half does, not full done. You can see the thing in the back, that is the tail. A lot of people say that it doesn't have tail. I think that is the anus part, so you have to also take that part out. Okay, you can see it. The other side is the frontal part, so you are going to open it in the back part. Okay, you are going to be opening this, so I will leave you guys so that it should not be that I'm just talking a lot in this video. So I will leave you guys to watch the video.
Deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedies, I will give you. Why did no more buy your skin on? You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural tissue we use, natural remedy for you. Oh, now, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more, cause you just got the bread. Take time, let me give you the sauce. Search no more, cause already got the best. Makeup tutorial, it dey for you. Lifestyle blogging, it dey for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything dey for you. Subscribe, hey, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you. Payment treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, no go back.
Oh, this is totally washed. You can see it. I've removed all the waste one that need to be removed. So this is very easy to do because it's a friendly tutorial. I take you guys along. I didn't even skip any part. So if you are the kind of person that is watching this for the first time, or you buy your crap and you don't know how to wash it, don't know how to go, you can definitely watch this video, because this video you are going to gain a lot of value because it's very easy to learn. And also you can see it here. You can put it on a sack bag or anything you want to put it to store in case you want to use it in another day. So the other one, I'm just going to make that one making that one on making food with that particular one in the place. So this one I'll be storing it in a sack bag. Okay, you can store it. This one, it doesn't mean because you cook it or you can't keep it. This one is half done, not food done. You can't. I usually keep it for a very long time. You can store it on your freezer. Anytime you want to use it to cook, you can definitely use it to cook. So that's it on this video. I hope you learned something, and also don't forget to super thanks this video, super chats, and also join my membership. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video with friends and family, because let them learn new things. Don't be stingy, keep sharing my video. So that's it. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.